How to use Atome card online payment. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Atome card online payment. You can't begin to manage Atome card payments without first having a card of your own. The application process for the Atome card takes 90 seconds and can easily be done at home. All you will need is the Atome app on your phone. Apply for the Atome card through Atome's mobile app. Submit the necessary financial details, and upon approval, request a physical card to maximize the power of the card. Once you've been approved and received your card, you will need to set it up. The virtual card requires no setup. You can see its number, name, and CVV on the Atome app. It requires you to nominate a 4-digit PIN, which you will use in physical stores. This integration also allows you to monitor your secure transactions anywhere you choose to pay with your Atome card. On the payment page, select the card payment option. You can try spotting the MasterCard logo. Next, enter your Atome card details such as card number, expiry date, and CVV. For added security, you can expect to receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Then enter this OTP to complete the transaction. After every transaction made using the Atome card, you will receive instant notifications via the Atome app and email alerts, ensuring you're always updated about your spending. Monthly statements will detail all your transactions. You can settle your Atome card bill through various payment methods like InstaPay, card, or even at designated payment centers. One of the standout features might be the ability to convert your bills into installment plans directly via the Atome app, giving you financial flexibility. You can choose to split your Atome card bill into 3-month or 6-month installments. That way, it makes it easier to manage your budget. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.